Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the historical development of ICT in education as an ICT team. Let's look the agenda. Introduction to ICT in education, early stages of ICT integration in education, evaluation of ICT tools and technologies, transformation in teaching methodologies, impact on educational practice, challenges and future directions, and all of them conclusions. Let's look the introduction to ICT in education. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. It refers to technologies that provide access to information toward telecommunication. It is like information technology, but focuses on primarily on communication technologies. This includes internet, wireless networks, cell phones, and other communication mediums. It means we have more opportunities to use ICT in teacher training programs nowadays and improve the quality of teachers for teaching effectively. Let's look the importance and relevance of ICT in education. First of all, e-learning. E-learning is also known as online learning. E-learning encompasses learning at all levels, both formal and non-formal, that uses an information network. The components include e-portfolios, cyber infrastructures, digital libraries, and online learning object repositories. All of the above components create a digital identity for the users and connect all the stakeholders in education. It also facilitates interdisciplinary research. Group discussion. Internet relay chat is among the popular internet services people mostly use for live chatting. A group of people with common interest can exchange opinions with each other instantly through the internet. Description of the internet technologies required to support education via ICTs. E-modules. Modules written are converted and stored into digital versions on a computer using a word processor accessible by the user to the internet. Let's look at the early stages of ICT integration in education. Introduction of personal computers. In the 1970s and 1980s, affordable personal computers like the Apple II, IBM PC became available, entering schools and allowing the students and educators direct access to computing. Educational software development. Specific educational software was created for subjects like math, language arts, and science, offering interactive learning experiences. Internet integration. The Internet's expansion connected schools, providing vast resources and enabling communication and global knowledge sharing. E-learning and online education. E-learning platforms emerged, offering courses and resources online, fostering virtual classrooms and distance learning. Multimedia learning. Computers facilitate the inclusion of multimedia elements in education, improving engagement and understanding. Personalized and adaptive learning. Educational technology adapted content to individual student needs and learning styles. STEAM education and coding. Computers promoted STEAM education, emphasizing coding skills for future technology advancements. Digital literacy. Teaching not only technology use, but also critical evaluation and management of digital information. Evolution of ICT tools and technologies. First of all, introduction of Internet and its impact. The Internet, a global network of interconnected computers, was introduced in the late 1960s, with the World Wide becoming publicly accessible in the early 1990s. Global connectivity. Access to information, e-commerce and business, education and e-learning, communication and collaboration, entertainment and media, and social impact with the introduction the PCs. Multimedia tools and their role in education, enhanced learning experiences, improvement, retention and comprehension, creativity and expression, accessibility and inclusivity, mobile devices and their influence on learning, access to information anywhere, anytime, personalized learning, collaborative learning, flexibility and convenience, digital skills development. Thank you for listening.
My name is Umut Yasin Çalışkan, and I am first going to talk about transformation in teaching. With the development of information and communication technologies, the education faced with some changes. The first change is shift from traditional to digital learning. With the development of ICT, now we can easily share resources with students and peers. And with these resources, we can use more engaging schooling techniques like flipped learning. Another thing is the information is available more than ever, and we can change our learning according to our personalized needs. The other change is the personalization of learning experiences. Personalized learning is an educational approach that tailors teaching methods, content, and pays to suit each learner's unique needs, preferences, and learning style. It provides advantages like time saving, increased engagement, and motivation, and it also improves learning results. The other topic is impact on educational practices. Now, thanks to the internet's unique access to knowledge, we can find information easier than ever. Also, according to our needs, we can learn from outside of the traditional curriculum, from websites like Coursera and Udemy. Furthermore, with the rise of generative AI, a technology that generates content, information will be more accessible than ever. According to Bloomberg, generative AI spending in education will reach $28 billion in 2032. From this chart, we conclude that we will see lots of AI-generated resources soon. The next topic is collaboration and communication advancements. With the improvement in communication, collaboration became easier in education. So now students can develop projects more easily. Also, during the pandemic, we have experienced online education, and we got used to it thanks to those tools like Zoom and Microsoft Teams. But what is the future directions and challenges in education? In the future, we predict that the education will be more personalized and student-centered. We are expecting to help students with AI-driven tutoring systems, which is a concept where AI analyzes students' progress and guides them according to their knowledge. Also, with the AI's help, we think that there will be more powerful assessment and feedback systems. The last topic is ethical considerations. While information and communication technology is developing so fast, ethical concerns are also growing. The first concern is that improvements in technology are happening so fast, and this makes closing the digital literacy gaps harder. To address this issue, we should take action to increase digital literacy. The others are data privacy. The companies collect and spy our data to create better models by violating our digital data. Also, the copyright issues, like the data privacy, companies are using data without having the copyright of the content to create better models. To address these issues, before they grow bigger in the future, we should push policymakers to create better laws according to our needs. In conclusion, the evolution of ICT in education has revolutionized teaching, introducing computers, the internet, and multimedia tools. This shift facilitates accessible and personalized learning, promoting digital and collaborative education. Challenges include ethical consideration, low digital literacy. The future of education may encompass increased personalization, mobile learning, AI-powered environments, and gamification. Thank you for listening, guys. And these are our references.